Hello beautiful divas, welcome to my channel Nakshi Kantha by Tania. Please subscribe our channel to get all notification from our new videos. Today I will show you some beautiful Kantha sarees. The first saree is a pure red, very nice red color. It's a good for any party or any occasion. You will look gorgeous wearing this. Check the work quality. It's very intricate. All over Kantha embroidery has done on the whole saree. The material is blended Bangalore silk. This is the first fold, divas, and I am showing you the second fold. Check the saree. This is the second fold. So the saree is all over like this, and the pleats you will get this design. It's a very gorgeous, very nice saree. To book the saree, you have to do WhatsApp on below number. Okay, this is the first saree and the price is 3800. All sarees I will show you today at the price range between 3500 to 3800. This is the second saree. Check the color. It's a beautiful teal blue. Beautiful teal blue. Very gorgeous, very elegant color. See the combination of both the color, white and the blue. It will look marvelous on this saree. The price is 3500. The price is 3500. Very elegant color combination, very nice. This is the first fold and I am showing you now the second fold. See, very nice, very elegant combination, divas. Please subscribe our channel to get all notification. Okay, this is the third saree. Check the color combination, it's beautiful. It's tussar color fabric and white thread. Very sober, very eye soothing. The price is same 3500. Blended Bangalore silk, fully hand embroidery. 3500. This is the first fold and this is the second fold. This is the second fold. Very nice, very sober combination. White thread on tussar color fabric. It's a blended Bangalore silk. Now it comes a blue. It's a midnight blue. It's a midnight blue. Check the design. Beautifully designed and hand embroidery all over this saree. Check the pallu design and the body design. The all over body has a geometric design and this is the pallu portion. This is the first fold and now I will show you the second fold. The price is 3800. Blended Bangalore silk. Blended Bangalore silk. All saree has blouse pieces with Kantha embroidery work. It's a pure white. It's a pure beautiful white. Check the color combination. Very eye soothing, very sober and gorgeous. Very soft fabric. You can check. It's very soft and body hugging. Check. All over Kantha work has done very neatly, very perfectly. You can show the close-up how much effort the karigar has given on this saree. It's the first fold. Now I am showing the second fold. This is the second fold. Okay, the price is 3800. 3800. Okay, it's a beautiful purple, very gorgeous color, and it's a double tone color. It's a multiple thread work, multicolor threads work. Wow, it look amazing with any color. I mean, in yellow blouse or a green blouse or the running blouse. Very gorgeous. Blended Bangalore silk. It's a blended Bangalore silk, and the color is beautiful, elegant. It's a purple, short purple, cross color, and this is the second fold. This is the second fold of the saree. See, it's very nice. It's a color affecting. I mean, the color is changing. 3800. It's a yellow. Again the price is 3800. 3800. Very nice yellow. Blended Bangalore silk. All over saree will be like this. The heavy work, very neat work. Perfect for any function, any party. It's a fully hand embroidery. One saree took at least 5 months to complete. The embroidery is done on hand needle work. This is the second fold. So all over saree will be like this with running blouse piece. The price is 3800. Check the black beauty. It has done multiple thread work, katha hand embroidery, katha stitch. This is the first fold of the saree. The pallu is like this with multiple color thread work. It's the first fold and this is the second fold. The border will go like this with the temple in all over the saree. And this will come in your yoke portion. Very nice, very gorgeous. The material is blended Bangalore silk. The price is 3800. 3800. See the work quality. It's very neatly done with blouse piece. All saree has blouse pieces. To book our saree, please WhatsApp on below number. It has been given on the screen. Now I will show you one beautiful magenta color. Very gorgeous, very nice. See the combination. How sober and how elegant the color is. Very nice. It will look amazing wearing this saree. Full hand katha embroidery has done in all over the saree. Very neatly done, and check the color of the saree. It's gorgeous. It's very gorgeous. You can go anywhere with the saree in any party or any big function. It will look amazing. This is the first fold and this is the second fold. See, all over saree you will get this all over hand embroidery katha needle work. The price is same 3800. The price is 3800. Oh, check the beauty. The color is a tasar. The base color is tasar with multiple color katha embroidery. Check the colors. All color are pastel shade. Very nicely done. Not striking but very elegant multicolor. Anyone can carry. Very nice combination. The grey, the blue, the yellow. Very nice color. This is the first fold of the saree with blouse piece. All saree has blouse piece and this is the second fold. Second fold. Very nice color combination. There is no black thread used in it. So because you can easily use or wear in any any occasion like any marriage occasion. Very nice. 3800. Okay, now one beautiful maroon, very gorgeous. Check the work of the sari, very neatly done and very gorgeous. Wow, very nice. It's very difficult to understand either it's a print or a katha stitch embroidery. I mean, very intricate, very neat. So, very nice. You can come close up to show the viewers the intricate work of the kantha. How intricate can be. See the work. Wow. Very nice. The price is as usual 3800. The whole sari, all over sari will go like this. Very gorgeous. 3800. Okay, the last one is a beautiful and unique design. So I kept it for the last. Check the design. Very contemporary design, and the color combination is very unique. Maroon on a chandan color thread, very sober. Yes, you have to come close up to show the viewers the work quality. Very nice, very intricate. The chandan color thread is a hand katha stitch embroidery, and the maroon portion is only the fabric. So you can understand how much coverage the kantha work has done on a sari. Okay, the price is 4,000. The price is 4,000. This is the first fold, and this is the second fold. This is the second fold. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for staying with us. Please subscribe our channel to get all our collection to your wardrobe, and please book in our WhatsApp number given below the screen. Thank you.